All right, all right. So SAG AFTRA has called a strike against major video gamers companies and studios. Yeah, such as Disney and Activision Blizzard, Electronic Arts, and so on, Warner Brothers. Yes, yes, for voice actors and performance uh, workers, to capture it and stuff. But yes, yes, there's the argument over AI. Will they be covered by, I guess their past work experiences and everything, or would it just be taken over by AI? So that's the discrepancy. But yes, I'm Art Norman Jr., the author of Hollywood, Hollyweird, How People Survive and Make It. Amazon, baby. Peace.